Hey guys, so I've got a 1994 Mustang. I've done a couple of little projects on it. I think this one's gonna be really easy. So, this trunk, it doesn't stay up anymore. So these little struts right here, I need to replace these. And so there was a video on LMR, late model, late Mustang restoration, something like that. But yeah, they sell these little trunk lift struts, and they sell them for like 50 bucks, but Amazon had them for like, I don't know, 20 bucks, something like that. So I just got them off Amazon, so I'll see. I mean, basically he just popped them off and put them right back on again. So yeah, so I don't see why this would be any sort of a problem. So I'm gonna get this guy focused in here. And these two tabs, we just got to remove these two. And we're supposed to just be able to use some sort of a flat blade screwdriver. And just take that off. Okay. Okay, that one's off. All right. And then we're supposed to just do the same thing on the bottom one. So, I think this one's going to be a little more difficult to get at. So, you can see it kind of down there. So, kind of get this guy focused in here. See this or not, but can I get in there? Just get that thing off. Okay. All right, that came right off. Let's see if we'll pop it right back in again. All right, let's see. Okay. So we want the this guy should be up on top here, and I should just be able to snap. Should just be able to snap him right on. Yeah, okay. Right in there. And now take this one. Just snap this lower one right in there. Oh, look at that. Well, that's terrific. That thing's holding in place nicely. Okay. I don't even have to really do the other side, but yeah, we should do the other side too. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this other side done. Oh, this is great. First project that I didn't break anything. I guess you really can't call this a project. All right, let me this guy off. Okay, one's off. Do the bottom one here. Take that one off. I'm gonna have a fully functional trunk here in a second. This is great. Okay, let's snap this guy back on. Get the new one here. This one doesn't line up quite as nicely as the other one did. Not sure why not, but yeah, so the other one was really tight on both ends. And this one, they have to be facing opposite ends of each other, and yeah, I can't get this one tightened all the way, so I guess I'm gonna have to go like this. Hopefully it doesn't mess anything up. We shall see. Let me get this one in here. And I'll take this other one. Plop that one in. Okay. Let's see. Well, it's definitely gonna. Yeah, I don't like the fact that this one didn't really tighten the way I thought it should, but yeah, I guess it'll be okay. I'll tighten it up. Tighten it up a little bit by hand here. That's pretty tight, so I think we're okay. But yeah, so. Got the old struts off. Put the new struts on. Make sure I still have my key. Closes nicely. Opens up real nicely. Yeah. So I have now a fully functional trunk. That's awesome. Okay, so that was an easy project. That was like a 1-minute video. Okay, I'll see you later.